Hi guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Isis. If you haven't subscribed down below, make sure you do before you leave this video. Today's look, I will be doing a bronze makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then make sure you keep on watching. Starting off with the eyebrows, I will be taking this Maybelline eyebrow pomade, and I will be using my Anastasia brush for that. I usually don't show how I do my eyebrows, but if you'd like to see a full-on video on it, then comment down below. And I will be just using this. It was actually my first time using this product. So far, I've been liking it. So moving on to concealer, I will be taking the matte concealer. That's usually what I use for my eyebrows to clean them up and just give them that clean look that everyone wants. So I will be doing that and then just blending out the concealer. And now I will be moving on to my face, and for that I will be using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, and I love this stuff. It just really gives me that glow that I need and keeps my face moisturized. And then I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me and foundation, the dewy one, and then I will be taking the BB cream as well, which is like kind of like a bronzer. I really like this combination. This will help me give me that bronzy look that I want. And I'll just be mixing both of these. Moving on to concealer, I will be taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade light to medium, and I will be concealing just, a little bit usually in the areas that I do, but I won't be adding as much as I normally do because I don't want to take away the whole bronzing and everything away from, but it defeats the purpose. Moving on to setting my under eye area, I'll be taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I believe it's in the shade light. And I'm just gonna be setting my under eye. I won't be baking for this reason because I mainly want to focus on bronzing up my face and just having that summer look. And then I will be moving on with the Wet n Wild contour stick, and you guys have to get this. This is my favorite. It blends really nicely and it just looks really nice on the skin, and um, it's not that complicated to use, so definitely a favorite of mine. And then I'm just blending that out. Moving on to powder bronzer, I will be taking the Glam Bronze by L'Oreal, and I'm not sure if they still sell this in stores, but it is one of my favorite drugstore bronzers, and I wish it was permanent. Hopefully they do have it, but it is a really beautiful bronzer for the summer, and it just like bronzes up really nice. So um, definitely a really good bronzer for this summer look. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and I will be taking the shade in Terracotta, and I'm just going to contour and, bronze up a little bit more. This look is all about bronze and just having that bronze glow skin, and this palette is really, really nice as well because it does have a lot of different brown shades and just your everyday colors. And then now I'm going to move on to the Cover FX custom drops, and I will be adding some glow in there, which is my favorite thing to do. And yeah. Moving on, I'm going to highlight a little bit more, and I will be taking the L'Oreal Crush Foil Metallic Highlighter. And this is really, it's nice, but I don't know how I feel about it. I think I would have preferred to use the Maybelline highlighting, the chrome one. And then now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to prime my lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and yeah, and then I'll just be using my bronzer to on the crease just to add some color in there. This look is pretty easy when it comes to the eyes. I didn't do much in there. I just kind of took my bronzer and then blended that out. So now I'm going to take some concealer and just kind of cut the crease a little bit. This step is optional. You don't have to do it. And it's not necessary to get the look. I just wanted to try it out and kind of switch up things, but it seemed like you don't need it. So now I'm going to take this lip gloss by Wet n Wild. I can't remember the shade. I will link it down below. But I just want to give the eyes like that glossy look. And then I'm going to curl my lashes. And I will also be taking my mascara. And this is the CoverGirl mascara. Um, and then moving on to the eyes, I will be taking the L'Oreal um, eyeliner in the shade brown, and then go back with my mascara and just coat my lashes. And then moving on to the lips, I did use MAC Strip Down, and then I will be taking the gloss by ColourPop in the shade Moonchild. It is the Kathleen Light collab, and this is such a beautiful gloss. It's a nude gloss, but it just looks really, really nice. And then I'll be taking my L'Oreal setting spray to give me that glowy look, and that pretty much completes this look, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it.